Hello everybody and welcome back to the chateau. So much is going on at the moment and it's rather annoying, to be fair. There's all sorts of things going on which could do with not happening. It's all getting in the way. However, lots going on, lots to do. Let me show you. Start that. Tables and chairs are almost fully loaded, so they can go back to the convent. Big marquees down, and the roof of the stage down. But I'm going to paint the metalwork of that bit by bit over the coming days in the good weather. It's almost all gone. So all of that work, the stage is down, and you start seeing some of the work that was done to make it. So this is the stuff I made in the workshop. This entire frame, which bolts here, goes up. There's the roof bits. So it's all made to pack down and go in the trailer along with the rest of the stage. As you can see, this slightly smaller piece that slides inside, that's all welded up. So this slides into the other piece, so that way we can get the big 6 metre span, which obviously wouldn't fit in the trailer. And well, that's the central section. But you can see here, this is another section, which is where another larger piece goes on. Same with here for the angle, same with there. So this entire frame, oh, I was rather proud of this one. All of this. So this all stuff slides onto it and it's all held together. So you've got that with the angle for the roof at the back. So we've got some fall, we've got that piece going off. It's all quite, I say it was quite, it certainly was a lot of work. Not least for the guy that, Steve, who plastic welded all of the sheeting together to go on. So, as you can see, it's not been out for long and bare metal goes rusty quickly. So I wanted to get that wire brushed back and painted up before it goes away for the winter and make a few adjustments, which is why this is not away yet. But we're getting somewhere. However, it's been a little bit difficult to do anything else because all of this stuff has to go somewhere else. It's all going to a storage unit. It's not getting stored here. I get lots of people that say, where's it going to go? There's no point in putting it up in the cottage. It's too difficult to get to. You can't get trailers next to it up there. And the cellar underneath the cottage is just damp and dismal, so stuff will get destroyed in there. So there's containers at the workshop, so it gets stored there. But I can't get to it at the moment with a trailer because they're digging up the entire driveway. Can anyone remember just before the party where I was cutting some grass here at the entrance to get into the camping area? It ain't grass anymore, is it? So what's happening at the moment, which is extremely difficult, is they're actually digging up the entire driveway. As you can see, the trench in the middle to run new water pipes up to the chateau. And there's only one way in and one way out. So I have actually had to be going out here. It's lucky I've got the 4x4 because I was having to go out here and then across the, as it when it's raining, quite muddy field all the way over there, and there's some there over there, to get down to the road, which is of course also what the tractor's using to go out and get rid of everything they're digging up. So it's quite muddy, especially when the rain comes. It's been raining and it's been very, very tedious, and I can't take the trailer through. So this is going to be embarrassing if I get stuck. I get stuck in the field, and it's looking, well, whee! This is a bit tedious. Get in and out of the driveway. Let's hope we don't get stuck. I wish the tractor that's coming in and out with all the stuff out of the ground would take the same route each time. It seems to be tearing the field up to a point where I won't be able to get in and out. It's alright, this isn't too bad, really. I mean, definitely don't want to be doing this constantly to just pop to the shops, you know. Yes, I haven't got my seatbelt on, I'm off-roading. Stop it. Alright. Okay. Neutral. Into normal roadie. Normal road height. Come on then. So I'll get stuck in the field. No, there we go. I mean, it's literally, there's just the trench in the middle. So all the way down to the very, very main road down there. And it's, well, not easy. And it's just got worse. So I'm stuck at the moment. So during the day, I am stuck in the house because they've now gone past, once they came to this area, I could no longer go through the field. And I certainly can't go through the field in that. But now they're past it, so they're up to the side of the house. So I have literally no way of getting in or out, which is quite annoying, as this is the stage I want to get everything put away. At the same time, I want to get everything across the chateau. I've got September is the clear up month before you start big works on the chateau once the winter months arrive, and this is not helping my schedule. The other issue, which is why they have been so long here, so there's a trench underneath these so I can drive across these metal boards, is you can see through there, that's the pipe from the moat which comes out, goes under here, and then comes down into there, which is very ancient. This is an old ancient. Then it goes into that and then goes out into the lake in there. And I think they're having a lot of trouble here getting deep enough for the legalities for the water pipe, so they don't freeze in the winter, etc., without hitting some of the ancient stone. And of course, actually, I did tell them, but I don't know how much they listened, is it's not just a pipes down under the ground. This is actually ancient stonework. This is an ancient arch here, so they obviously can't destroy that, and it's taking a bit of time. So, well, I'm sure I needed new water pipes. Timing wasn't exactly perfect. It's nothing to do with the workers, bless them. And it's obviously just complicated because what appears to just be a road here, it's not. There's all sorts of ancient pipework, ancient bridges, ancient outlets. You know, there are stone drainage outlets all around the moat in different places to go different places, and they actually still feed bits of the fields to keep certain things wet. You know, these things were created years and years and years ago and have been in place for years, and because things do get destroyed and people don't know and work just happens, and then you wonder why something in an ecosystem or that's been working for years stops working. Or between myself and other people that live locally that know the place, we're trying to make sure that the workers know everything that they're supposed to do. So it's been a little bit tedious. I can't obviously film them doing stuff, but I seem to spend half the day as well with them answering questions about where stuff goes here. So it's been bit fraught for a few days. However, still got loads of stuff done. In between, I just haven't had a chance to film lots of stuff. So in between helping the guys out here with questions, I'm just getting through loads of stuff which is really, really boring in the house but needs to be done. Basically just cleaning things. So I am, oh yeah, and I fixed this. Very happy about that. So I have had loads of comments of where have you been, what's going on. I have had a few days off, I've been doing other stuff, doing stuff. It is not huge progress. It's taking stuff down, getting it cleaned up and fixed, and getting it ready to go. Unfortunately now not actually gone. So hope that answers that question. Thank you for all your really kind comments of where have you gone. Thank you for everyone that donated to the Buy Me a Coffee for the 2 charities from the party. I'll let everyone know when that closes and how much that did, but thank you everybody for clicking that link that was in the description and donating. It was a really, really nice thing to do, and hopefully I will get back to normal work tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye now.